Imagine standing in front of a car that looks like it was sculpted by the wind itself. The 2026 Ferrari Roma S isn't just an evolution of the original Rome. It's a bold statement of Italian artistry fused with cutting-edge performance. At first glance, it whispers elegance, but under that sleek silhouette, it screams raw power and precision. Every single line of its bodywork has been reimagined to reduce drag and increase aerodynamic efficiency, and you can tell Ferrari left no stone unturned in making this machine as stunning to drive as it is to look at. Pop the hood and your heart skips a beat because sitting there is a reworked 3.9-liter twin turbocharged V8 engine. This monster now pushes an astonishing 710 horsepower paired with lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission that slices through gears with razor-sharp accuracy. 0 to 60, just 2.9 seconds, top speed, somewhere beyond 200 mph, but honestly, who's counting when you're glued to the seat with that kind of acceleration and that sound? The signature Ferrari roar has been tuned to perfection, blending aggression with pure musicality. It's not just noise. It's an experience that tingles your spine every time you press the throttle. Step inside, and it's like walking into a futuristic Italian lounge. Ferrari has elevated the cabin to a new level of luxury and technology. You're greeted by a wraparound cockpit that feels personal and immersive, with a massive 60-inch digital instrument cluster right in front of you. Everything you need is at your fingertips, and the responsiveness is mind-blowing. The infotainment system has been upgraded too, featuring a sleek 12-inch display with an intuitive interface and seamless smartphone integration. But it's not just about tech, it's about craftsmanship. Fine Italian leather, contrast stitching, and carbon fiber accents blend harmoniously to make every drive feel special. Ferrari didn't forget the passenger either. The Roma S comes with an optional secondary screen on the dashboard, so your co-pilot can monitor performance stats, control music, or even adjust climate settings. It's a little touch, but one that shows Ferrari's obsession with detail. And let's talk about the seats. Sculpted for comfort, but designed to hold you tight during those high-speed cornering sessions. Long trip or track day, these seats are pure perfection. Now the handling. Oh, this is where things get insane. The 2026 Roma S uses Ferrari's latest side slip control system, combined with adaptive suspension and rear wheel steering to deliver surgical precision on every turn. Whether you're attacking a mountain pass or cruising down the highway, the car feels planted, confident, and alive under your hands. It's not just about speed, it's about control and connection. This car talks to you through the steering wheel, through the throttle, through every fiber of its being, and the brakes, massive carbon, ceramic discs that could probably stop time itself. Hit them hard, and you'll feel your soul leave your body for a split second. What makes the Roma S truly special, though, is that it doesn't just cater to hardcore enthusiasts. Ferrari wanted this car to be as usable as it is thrilling. It has improved ride comfort, better insulation for those long journeys, and even a suite of driver assist features like adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist. Sure, it's still a Ferrari, not a family sedan, but these subtle touches make it a car you can actually enjoy daily, if you're lucky enough to own one. On the design front, the Roma S stays true to its philosophy of La Nuova Dolce Vita, the new sweet life. It's elegant, it's sensual, but now with sharper details, a more aggressive stance, and aerodynamic tweaks that make it look faster even when it's parked. The front fascia has slimmer headlights, the grille is bolder, and the rear end now features a beautifully integrated active spoiler. Every angle of this car is Instagram-worthy, but trust me, photos don't do it justice. You need to see it, hear it, and drive it to believe it. At the end of the day, the 2026 Ferrari Roma S isn't just another car, It's a rolling piece of art powered by engineering genius. It represents passion, performance, and pure Italian soul. It's the kind of car that makes your heart race before you even touch the start button. And when you finally do, well, the rest is history written in tire marks and adrenaline. This is Ferrari reminding the world why it sits on top of the automotive food chain. The Roma S is not just the future of grand touring. It's the ultimate expression of elegance meeting performance. And if you ever get a chance to drive one, remember this. It's not just a drive, it's an experience you'll never forget.